So this one is the ticket counter, and here is Kishu. Say hi, Kishu. She is also going. I'm giving you the full details of ticket. Here you can pay cash or through online also. Entry fees is 30, and for children above 3 years is full. So this one is the entry. Here you can park your vehicles. Everyone is sitting here, and here is the view. And one more thing, after 6 o'clock there will be a light and sound show. Entry fee is 100. So you can see, this is coffee house, and we are going in. See, there is a Christmas setup. Kishu, Kishu, turn here, say hi. So this is the entrance, and top of that there is a Harlipur Museum written, and we are going inside. Let's go with us. See, there is a, actually this is a jail, I think. I don't know, I'm also new visitor to this place. I think this is a shop inside this, and I don't know about this. Let's go. Go there. There is a Mahatma Gandhi ji, and Kishu is going there to touch him. Go. Her badmashi is on the roof, so she is going to touch him. See, she is looking at him. These all are jail. Here you can see some Bengali song is playing right now, so it is difficult for me to explain anything. There is a Nehru cell, so we are going inside. Do not touch. Who is she? Indira Gandhi. Let's go here. I don't know how to read Bengali, but there is in written when and how many days he is in imprisonment. He is in imprisonment, so he is sitting here. I mean his statue. The first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, was incarcerated in a cell of his building for 80 days. This one is also another jail. Here, nothing is inside. I think that is for toilet and all. Here is a lock and key process. But there is a window inside, na? I really like this kind of lock and key process. Outside from there, we are entering to this. I don't know what is this, but it is written Old Go Down Library and Seminar Hall. Let's go inside. This is a library. Nothing special here, only one big hall. Postcard. Aside from here, we are going to somewhere. Let's go here. This is Tatkal Weaving Room.
करने का शौक है ना, कभी हम करेंगे समझ में आएगा, जब करेंगे तो करते रह जाएंगे.
This is a place where prisoners spent time. And Kishu is inside this. Kishu, come outside. This is a prisoner, and prisoner is weaving. See, these all are weapon to weaving. See how they weave all the things. See. I think this is a place where prisoner used to cook food. Nothing, go. Here is so many things to see, so many things to experience, how our freedom fighters spent their time just to give freedom to us. কি হলো? The chapel was inside the watchtower on the ground floor. European prisoners could offer their prayers here. Acha. There is a huge place here. I really like this place. Peaceful and so clear. See, Kishu is there. What are you looking for? This is Acha, I can't read in Bengali. Here you can read from here. This is the only example, not real, okay? After 75 years of independence, we went there, explore new things and feel their pain to give us only democratic country. Freedom fighters are the reason we live in a free country. We must honor their sacrifices for the nation. We live in an independent and democratic society today. Just because of them, definitely we should come here just to feel their pain. There is a big gate and there is a place. यो सब थिएन होला पहिला यस्तो कलरिङहरु पेन्टिङहरु exhibition hall. Alipur jail, Calcutta. This is an old name of Kolkata, Calcutta. How it looks. 1898. There is an old currency. Here you can see 1977. Yes. Goddess Durga. 75th anniversary. 5 rupees. This is a wheat. Wheat on here. Wheat, yes.
বহু বিপ্লবী এখানে কারণ বহু বিপ্লবীকে এখানে বিদেশ থেকে পড়াশোনা করে ভারতে ফিরে অরবিন্দ ঘোষ ভারতের স্বাধীনতা সংগ্রামকে বহু পরিকল্পনা ব্রিটিশ সরকারের বিরুদ্ধে অভিযান চালানোর পরিকল্পনা সে সময় অরবিন্দ ঘোষ ও তার ভাই এই পত্রিকা প্রতিনিয়ত
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose has been kept here. And here is the major part of this place is where they breathe their last breath. For us, They sacrifice their life at this place. Really, I feel so bad after see this. So we are taking an exit now. From here we are going outside, and today's vlog is all about this. To all of you, I really think or request to definitely come here with your children, with your loved ones. So for today, thank you. Tata, bye bye.